Welcome back to the channel, everyone, guys. Today is another day, day 2 of our GT 2020 ride. We are in Latur right now. Yesterday we did around 750 kilometer and we were kind of very exhausted. So we thought today we'll not start early, but we'll actually relax, thoda aram karenge, and then we might even get delayed in the morning, but we'll leave at around 9:30 to 10, and that's what it is. It is 9:30 right now, and we are starting for our day 2. It would be around 700 kilometer again, and that's the reason we did not start early. We never know what kind of roads we'll see, but hopefully it would all be good. Bikes are all ready. We have done the chain looping and everything. It is all logged in. This we are trying for the first time. This is Enerjal. We wanted to keep it for our hydration. So all good. Should be a nice day. It's kind of a hot in Latur, but it should all be good. So I'll see you on the bike now. So we have left from our place of stay. This is in outskirts of Latur, and all set. Thoda garmi lag raha hai, but it should be okay. Once we get into that riding mode, oh, windy hone ke karan you will feel good. Maharashtra pura dry lag raha hai lekin. So we started our journey right on time at around 9:30, quarter to 10, and the plan was that we should reach Indore by 8:30 to 9 p.m. in the night. The route that we took was from Latur to Beed, Beed to Aurangabad, and Aurangabad to Dhule, and then finally from Dhule to Indore. We were knowing very well that the state highways of Maharashtra would not be that great. In fact, we found out the same while we crossed Beed. It was really in a bad shape. After that, we reached Murund, and we were really surprised to see the situation about cold. Just check this out. So right now we are in Murund, and I hardly see anyone wearing mask. I don't know whom to blame for this, but the government of Maharashtra, please have a look of these areas. Strange, but strange, very strange. Oh, I don't even see people actually having a mask. At least they have in their neck or something, or just below their mouth, but they are not carrying it. This explains the reason for Maharashtra having the highest number of COVID cases in country. We have taken the National Highway 52 all the way to Aurangabad. After I think 1 hour of riding in the bad road from Latur to this Solapur National Highway, we are finding it very good. Shyam is enjoying. Very smooth road. We should try to make up some hour here. This is on, huh? This is not required now. Chalo, let me try Africa Twin with new Karu Street tires. Shyam, be careful, thoda it is heavy. I feel more on a height. Weight is light. Obviously. Go ahead.
Okay, come on.
मैं तेरी हो गया. Wow, this is so light as compared to the Tiger with all those panniers. This I am feeling like, oh, I really like Africa Twin, man. किधर रुकना है फूड के लिए? कैसा लगा? पूरा वेट है ना गाड़ी में अभी.
लेकिन while going
हाँ, while riding obviously तो बैलेंस आउट हो जाता है. You really need to have a balance of the pannier load.
but it's nice with the in high speed it handles well.
Yeah.
Decent.
And your Karoo Street,
Huh?
and your Karoo Street is making some humming noise. तो वो होगा 70-30 टायर है ना. It is 70-30 tire, so you'll have to.
Feeling the grip.
Grip is all fine. It is doing tilting and all very easily because it's a round profile tire, no. So it is, in that sense, it is good.
Nice dhaba. We missed that Hari Om dhaba.
Okay, I saw that. So Tiger is okay. Good. चलो back to Tiger.
A few moments later.
So right now we are in Aurangabad, another 400 kilometers to go. We were thinking of going to Mandleshwar also, but I think we will reach a bit late and there is no point going to Mandleshwar in the night. और टेम्पल वगैरह में I don't think so वो हो पाएगा.
Temple will be closed. Pepsi.
See, you need to have lots of water. I think that is one thing that I have realized because I am not a water drinker. And in these heat, even though it is November, but it still it is.
This is very important.
What?
To keep
क्या
the heat.
Heat? Onion?
Onion.
हो सकता है onion होगा heat के लिए. Beat the heat. Okay. So यहाँ से we'll leave in another half an hour and then plan to reach by 8:30. तो अभी खाना खा लेते हैं यार. भूख लग गया है. थोड़ा सा exhausted हूँ, but it is fine. I think it was manageable. Manageable, right?
First.
I think your suggestion of that ORS solution is required. We have a water bottle and that is filled with the ORS salts. So that is helping because I was of the view that it is cold in November and it will not be that hot. It would be easy, but
Outside air temperature is 35 degrees.
outside air temperature is 35 degrees.
We will run rehydration salts.
Okay. So we'll see you on the bike then. कन्नड़ 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 जगह का नाम। ये महाराष्ट्र में कन्नड़। सो कन्नड़ एक लैंग्वेज का भी नाम नहीं है, बट ये एक जगह का भी नाम है, कन्नड़। ओहो हो, अरे साइड हट जा भाई। महाराष्ट्र में हेलमेट का रूल नहीं होने के कारण थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है देखने में, कोई हेलमेट नहीं पहना हुआ है। ओहो ओहो ओहो, ओए गड्ढा गड्ढा गड्ढा, अरे गड्ढा। Sham is saying to slow down. Some ghat section brought to you by Dhule Aurangabad Road, NH 52। रोड्स तो काफ़ी ख़राब हैं, बीच बीच में बन रहा है, कहीं पे ठीक है, तो यू कैन नॉट डू एक्चुअली स्पीड्स। बट अभी तो थोड़ा ठीक लग रहा है, थोड़ा ठंड भी हो गया। यू कैन सी इन द मैप इट इज़ ऑल ग्रीन। So Dhule is around 75 kilometers. Yes, look at this. This is the Maharashtra region. ओए, अरे 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 अरे, I think we are trying to cover, this is now 4:51। 1-1.5 घंटा लाइट और रहेगा, इसमें जितना कवर कर सकते हैं कवर कर लेंगे, बिकॉज आई एम काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन हु डजंट like to ride in night. We can ride, but I don't have that much confidence in night than in a day. So daylight. But इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि I'll be riding rash or doing speeds which I cannot control. It has to be a controlled ride. Oh wow. मुझे मन तो है यहाँ पे ड्रोन उड़ाने का एंड गेट अ गुड व्यू, बट ड्रोन का वीडियो आपको बाद में आएगा, बिकॉज वी रियली हैव टू कवर द टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस। सो प्लीज़ कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग द व्लॉग एंड दिस सीरीज। There are lots coming in. The first 2 days we actually planned to be thoda stretched, because this is a plain straight road and there is nothing much to see. So we thought that we'll stretch it out and try to reach the destination and then plan it out. But these are all solar panels. I initially thought to be water, कुछ pond, lake ऐसा कुछ type से, but no, it is solar panel setup, solar energy. Good going. See? Oh wow, कितना बड़े जगह में होगा। One thing is for sure, that state highways of Maharashtra are very bad. It is not kept well compared to all the southern states that I visited. Tamil Nadu has been the best in terms of keeping their state highways, and Maharashtra का तो हालत ख़राब है भाई। खैर 2 दिन का राइड करने के बाद आज थोड़ा एग्जॉस्टेड फील कर रहा हूँ। सब कुछ ठीक है, एनर्जी में कोई कमी नहीं है, बट सिर्फ थोड़ा नेक एंड शोल्डर थोड़ा वो पेन कर रहा है बस, और कुछ नहीं भाई। Soon I ran out of my battery power. I could have recharged the battery, I could have connected my GoPro to the power source, but I was feeling very exhausted, and the only thing that I was needing was a bed wherein which I can go and just stretch myself out. We had covered around 1500 kilometers in 2 days, and I was actually looking for a bed. So yes, we are in Indore right now, reached safely, no problem whatsoever. The last 200 stretch from I think Dhule to Indore was superb. The road was crispy cream. We were actually belting, and we actually covered lots of ground. But now it is 10 o'clock in the night and we are good to go. I think I'll close the vlog out here, but right now we are going to Sarafa market, Sarafa Bazaar for our dinner. But that Sarafa market video would come in the next vlog or the third video, whatever you can say. So until next time, keep coming back to the channel, guys. If you have not subscribed, this is the time for you to subscribe, like the content and share with your friends, and please do comment onto the channel. And till next time we meet, bye bye.